All right. Good afternoon. It's just afternoon right now, right after 12. And it is May 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Actually, I guess it's May 5th. May 5th, 2021. It is Vlog 87. And it is Wednesday. It is my other ukulele day, or actually music day. Today I have Hadley's lesson. I missed it last week because our car was messed up. Or not Hadley's lesson, Maddie's lesson, and I will be seeing her today at 3 o'clock. But before that, I need a little tuning. I woke up this morning and Carrie had to go to the shop, so I went, dropped her off so I could have the car, and she's gonna make it back with Kaylee, and she's got hopefully a hand-pan sales appointment, which will be cool. But let's do some tuning here. Yeah. Always nice. So good. But anyways, tuning. Ooh, that feels better. Yeah, I wasn't expecting to take Carrie to the shop today, so kind of threw me off. But yeah, it was all right because I had to put gas in the car today. It was like on empty. And the car's feeling good. I think I said yesterday we had ball joints or something like that. But I think the engine mounts caused that because it was shaking and it messed up the ball joints. So we had to get those replaced, and the car's running good. It's cool. Let's see what else. Let's recap from yesterday. Yesterday, woke up at 9. I think I mentioned this yesterday because I went to Dave's early to film with Dave some of the community lessons, and we did Luna intervals, which was really cool. I came back, did my vlog, and then I just started working on edits for the community because I'm like a little bit behind on the videos, so I worked on them and it took me all night, but I finished the module. Or there's more. I have more. I have more videos. I'm just constantly editing. It's so funny. But I finished a section last night, and it was cool. I did my 100-day song, which was day 94. Only 6 more days. I'm excited for that. It's gonna be fun. It's just good to accomplish something like that. Like, it's good to challenge yourself because, yeah, you just got to see what you can do, right? Gotta live. And then Brandon came over to work on the website, which was cool. Carrie and him were actually they were testing the system to see if they can finish a website for somebody in a night, and they actually did, which was really cool. So yeah, that's for our new business, and we're excited about that because we see some great potential for helping kids and making money at the same time, which is always good. But something I learned yesterday was, like, as I was editing, I was kind of like testing the system. And right now I wrote this down, like, I'm still getting used to my desk setup because everything's faster. And the way I used to do it was like I used to have to wait for certain things to like load or render or whatever. And now everything's faster. It's so crazy. Like in Final Cut, oh my god, I'm not used to it. It's like everything works. Like usually it'll lag, like as I'm trying to add stuff, like, you know, coloring and doing everything, but everything just works. It's so crazy. It's just so fast. I'm just like, I've been waiting for this because, you know, as you edit, you get faster, and then if the computer slows down, it can't go as fast as you're thinking, and it kind of messes up your flow. But actually, this new Mac M1 is just amazing. It's fast for editing, and yeah, I love it. I'm just like, wow, everything is easier, I would say, and everything just runs smoothly. It's like cool. It's like butter. Just it's so awesome. So I'm still getting used to that, and it basically, like last night, because I did all those videos, and the last time I did those videos, it took me to render. It was so gnarly. It was a lot. It took me about the same. It took me all day. Yesterday, it took me only a few hours to finish like 6 or 7 videos, which was cool. And that's with like graphics and a higher resolution and all that other stuff. So I'm excited. This is really cool to have a good system. And then one of the things is standing up. Like I can just hit this button, and then I'm standing up. And like doing this is like a game changer. It's like, because I would sit a lot and I would get stuck because I'm editing, and to be able to stand, it just, I don't know, it just makes you feel better, and it works on the back. So I just started doing this, so I don't know if I know it's going to help out, but I just want to see the benefits, and I'm just loving it. I like to stand and work. It's kind of cool. And actually standing and doing this video is pretty cool too. So, and like I can go higher if I wanted to, just to match my height. And here I am. Kind of cool. But yeah, that was yesterday. Let's look at the weather today. I want to look at the weather, and boom. Oh. Let's see. Ooh, it's gonna be a nice day today. 64 currently, but it's nice. It's sunny and there's a light breeze. I can see it blowing a little bit, but it's gonna be 70s. And today I'm going out to Palos Verdes to go hang out with Maddie, so that's gonna be cool. And Maddie and Hattie, so that's gonna be good. Good day to do that. Very nice. I'm excited. Let's look at some birthdays. And I think that's all I'm gonna have for us today. Wow. Interesting. No birthdays today. But yeah, it is Wednesday. Usually I'm really busy on this day. I'll go from like 3, because I have to drive to Palos Verdes. Then afterwards I have a ook social, and that'll take me to like 8 o'clock, and usually I'll eat dinner at that time and then do that. So we'll see tomorrow. But that's the usual schedule for today. Other than that, right now I'm just following up on some hand pan customers. Maybe do a little bit of more editing and computer work. I'm still transferring files from one hard drive to another, and I probably have to get a new hard drive because one of mine is messed up, and I'll see if I can get that fixed too. But anyways, that's all I have for us today. Today's May 5th. It's Cinco de Mayo, so for all those celebrating Cinco de Mayo, yeah, happy Cinco de Mayo. It is Vlog 87. It's Wednesday, and that's all I have for us today. And like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. I will see you tomorrow. Have a good one.